Welcome back and good morning, Orange County. We are going to make a heart-healthy breakfast here today, and seasonal apple picking season is on us.
I love apples.
Don't you
I
just
love everything flavored apples. So yes,
I do
teach me
too.
how to make this.
I do too. First of all, the most fun thing is going to the market and seeing all the apples I've never heard of before.
Honeycrisp is my new favorite.
Is that your favorite?
Oh,
because I've always been a Fuji girl. I just love the Fujis, the organic Fujis.
Also, yes.
And today we have it's called Pepita apple, and we have Fuji, and we have Gala, and Pink Lady.
Wow.
So I mixed up a bunch of apples to do what we're going to do. You don't have to. I mean, you can, whatever you like.
You can choose your fave.
You can choose your fave. I just like the idea of mixing it all up because it gives me such interesting flavors. So you'll do your Honeycrisp and maybe mix it up with something else.
Okay.
Go crazy. So the whole idea is that this is an easy and really sustainable breakfast. So we're going to grate some apples.
Okay.
And then we're going to put them in the plates, and then we're going to mix up an almond butter cream. So I'm going to mix almond butter, fresh organic almond butter with some almond milk.
Okay.
And just turn it into a cream instead of that heavy, you know, like when you're a kid, I can't do that. So we'll mix it up and turn it into a little cream. We pour that over the apple. And then we're going to just dust it with some cinnamon and some crushed walnuts.
Wow, I can't wait to try it.
Simple as can be. I think it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It fits into our 5 ingredient.
Okay, this is something I can do then.
And
5
it's
or
easy,
less.
and all you need is no heat, just the food processor.
Wow.
So the whole idea is that you get the boron and fiber from the apple. So that's, you know, really great in terms of energy and the minerals.
Good.
You get the good fats from the almond butter and the milk, and that, by mixing it with the apple, doesn't give you that jolt of sugar from the fruit.
Yeah.
So it makes it more sustainable.
Even.
Yep, it blends it out.
Okay.
You get the sugar balance from the cinnamon, so it balances your blood sugar, and then you get great brain food. You know, walnuts look like the brain when you look at them,
They do.
and that's the work they do.
That's good. I need some brain food.
So
Absolutely.
you're going to have plenty of it right here.
Good.
So let's just get mixing. It's going to be just a little bit of a minute until we'll turn this on and get going. We're just going to grate.
Okay.
Flying apples.
I know. It's looking good.
It is. We're almost there. I love this little food processor.
It's a great food processor
right?
here. Okay.
So we are off with that. And then we're going to...
Can I help you?
Yes,
put
you
some,
can. Absolutely. I'm going. While I switch this, I'm going to switch the blades for us. And while you put the apples on the plate, how's that?
Great. That sounds great. I would have never expected grated apples to be like the foundation of a breakfast, but this is really cool.
Well, it makes so much sense. I mean, a lot of people do fruit for breakfast.
Yeah, so why not this?
So why not mix it up? And the only reason I didn't grate them in advance is because it wouldn't look as pretty.
Oh yeah, it's
you know,
beautiful.
they get a little
they get brown
and
if you don't do it right away.
So we do it fresh, and it's something that you
Beautiful.
can do for yourself right away in the morning. Dump it all out between the two plates because
all
I
of
need
it?
the bowl back.
Oh, okay, got it.
So that we can mix up the almond cream.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is really fun.
Right?
Yeah.
So we've got, I mean, we've got a lot of apples there.
Amazing too. Okay.
Right? I think that's the biggest.
The smell is just.
It's really engaging
yes.
in terms of smell good.
It'll wake you up just smelling the grated apples.
I think so too. And then we're going to mix up. So this is freshly ground almond butter.
I'll tell you, this is much better than the Diet Mountain Dew breakfast I usually have.
We might need to discuss that.
That's in our therapy session coming up.
So I put in about 2 or 3 teaspoons of almond butter and maybe a 1/4 cup of almond milk.
Okay.
And I throw it in the bowl just because it's easiest to just mix it up that way. It's a little bit hard to get the almond butter going. And then if it needs a little more, it's not quite pasty yet. So let's just do a little bit more of that. So maybe 1/2 cup of milk.
Okay.
And I use non-dairy everything. So almond, coconut, hemp,
nut base,
right?
yeah.
Remember we had our marijuana
I remember
milk?
the hemp. Yeah, oh, that was good stuff.
All right, I think we
Okay.
are there with this. Oh, yum. Looks so
Ooh,
good.
that does look good.
A little messy, but none the worse. Okay.
Oh, and
then-
it smells so good.
Smells
there,
good, right?
too. Oh, yeah.
All right, so let's just pour some of this over here.
Yummy. Let's add some. This is something that it smells so delicious. I would have never in a million years thought to do this.
Well, and people dunk apples in peanut butter all the
Yeah,
time.
all the time.
And so I'm using a nut butter, not peanut. Here's a spoon.
use
We
this
can
spoon?
actually
Want me to use
just
this
dust
one?
it off with a
Okay.
fork. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put some of that over
Oh,
there.
that was a
That's-
little too much,
That's
wasn't
okay. Cinnamon's good for you.
it? Yeah.
It's good
I'm
for
going to be very well regulated on that bite.
your blood sugar will be just fine over there. And then we're just going to sprinkle some crushed walnuts
Okay.
on each. And listen, it doesn't really get easier. That's
No.
just,
And what a beautiful presentation,
Isn't
too.
it pretty?
Oh, it's beautiful. You set this down in front of somebody, and you're like,
yeah.
it's gourmet.
And it can be a dessert, but I like it for breakfast because it really gives you that sustained jump in the morning. So you get the freshness of the apple.
Okay, I'm
and
ready to
go
try
and
this
dig
bite.
in. I hope you like nuts.
I know. Oh, I do. I love
Good.
nuts, and I love cinnamon, and I love apples. That is good.
Yummy, right?
Yeah, it tastes like apple pie for breakfast, only it's good for you.
There you go.
It's amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so
Well-
this recipe is going to be on our website, gooddayorangecounty.com. It's amazing, and I'm going to eat healthier from now on.
I think if you start making some of our recipes, you absolutely will. But you might want to
Absolutely.
just rethink that Mountain Dew breakfast.
I know. It's a terrible habit. It's a terrible habit.
So are we going to wrap?
Yes.
Yeah,
We
because
have
so
had-
we can walk off and eat our plate of breakfast,
I
right?
know. We need to wrap just so I can eat this. This is so
Okay.
amazing.
Perfect.
But we had a great day today.
We did have a
didn't
great
we?
day
It was
today.
so much fun. I loved the bags.
Yeah. Oh, really
And for
great.
you viewers, you should have seen everyone backstage go crazy over those bags. It was really fun to
So
watch.
go look for jujube.com and
We had Nate on. Nate is he's fabulous. There is not a nicer person. So you should go to Beachside Nursing just to see Nate and just to let him take care of you.
and what
He
great
is-
information.
And great information on the right questions to ask during a family tour and how you can make sure you don't get hoodwinked, because there are bad skilled nursing facilities out there. So you got to
sure
make
that's
sure
true.
that you get the good ones.
I'm
So
sure that's true.
That was super helpful.
And Francine Brokaw.
Oh my gosh.
I
so
love
many
the
movies now that we can
Movies
watch.
and Disney and Halloween and
Disney
all
is
things
going to
fun.
be so fun.
So
and
you've got
Sheila,
some
isn't
good
she a
information.
kick?
Sheila's
is
great.
so much
I love
fun.
Sheila and Old Pros. They're just amazing. I just want to be them.
I
think they do
I want to
such
be in
great
one
work.
of their acts.
I think we should ask.
Should we audition?
Well,
I don't know.
we can audition. You're the performer, but yeah, we can audition.
We'll do it. That sounds great.
Perfect.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and good day, Orange County.
See you next time.